Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? I'm back with another video. I thought I was gonna get this video done Monday, but if you live in Florida, it's been raining. It's been like cold as hell. It's like what, like 60 right now, and that's like so cold for me because all I do, I stayed in Florida my whole entire life. But today, I already told y'all I was gonna get some stuff done to the C250. Today I'm gonna be getting the chrome delete going on it. I'm gonna get all these trims blacked out with the tape roll. I'm gonna be removing these bottom trims, the chrome trim pieces, and I'm gonna see if I can even take this daylight cap daylight cap, whatever, I don't know what it's called. But also the C250 does have another problem that is going to be fixed Saturday. So as you guys know, it's been raining since like Monday and it's now Thursday. So the rain did calm down, but I did have like a little piece of clear coat peeling on my trunk, and I don't know like if it was the acid or what it was, but it did cause my clear coat to peel like all like basically like 75% of the top of the trunk started peeling off like out of nowhere. Like I was leaving school, I went to go put my backpack in my trunk, and I was like, bro, I was that day, I was like so mad because as you guys know, I am gonna be taking this car to fuel feds, but my body guy, he's a great guy. He's gonna get it. He told me to bring it in Saturday, like 7 in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So I am gonna bring the car in, and we're gonna get it done. So look at it. Like, I mean, this looks horrible. Like, I was so devastated. And also, I'm gonna be going to get this fixed too. You can't really tell, but you could see the little paint peeling. So we're gonna get that fixed, and the car's gonna look. And that day, I might be painting my rims black. Do have black wheel hubcaps coming in. Um, so let's see if they could come in before maybe Friday, so I won't have to wait or come back to my house to come pick up the wheel hubcaps, because I will, just to get it done with. And I might be taking the C250 badge off probably today. So yeah, the Mercedes is getting interesting. I now have peeling clear coat, and also I do have a check engine light, but that's gonna be a separate video. I think I do know what the check engine light is for. It's nothing major. The car drives fine, but I don't these cars, you can't really drive them too long with the check engine light. So probably I'm gonna go ahead and get that done next week. So yeah, we're gonna get into the chrome delete.
Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I know y'all about tired of hearing the background music, so I was thinking like I might as well go ahead and get like a small little voice message in here. You feel me? Cause this not really a tutorial, but for the people who do want to do it, you feel me? I was like I might as well drop a little couple tips. So if you are doing this, you want to go ahead and mask the edges where you are gonna cut with. But one big tip I have if you're gonna do this is please, please, please use knifeless tape. I feel like my cuts would have been way more cleaner and way straighter if I had knifeless tape. Because if you guys don't know, knifeless tape is just like a tape you lay down there and you peel it off, and it just is the you could the name it explains itself. Knifeless tape basically, and you want to go ahead and mask all around where you are gonna be cutting. That's feel like that's the most important part. I did get some cuts through my paint, but that is not a problem. I will be talking about my paint situation at the end of the video. But if you when you're using the wrap, you kind of want to just take your time. This is not something you rush. I kind of did rush, but I kind of did do a good job. um I kind of did do a pretty great job for somebody who kind of rushed. And if you can take your side mirror off, I would take it off. The reason why I didn't take my side mirror off is because if you do have a Mercedes, you know these door panels are something you don't want to mess with. So I didn't want to take my door panel off to remove my side mirror. So I went ahead and worked around that. The wrap job went pretty great. Just make sure you have a heat gun, make sure you have some time, and make sure you know you clean the surface, you tape your edges, and the rest from there is just barbecue chicken, you feel me? But you also want to make sure you order more wrap. Don't be like me. I did not order enough wrap. I don't know if I mentioned that in the start of the video, but you guys want to order more wrap because you are gonna mess up. And yeah, I think that's the tips I got, right now. I think I might as well just continue with the background music. All right, so I'm recording another voiceover. You feel me? Like, I just feel like the music may be too overbearing. But yeah, so basically, as y'all can see, I started in the daytime. You feel me? I started in the daytime, and now it's nighttime. I know y'all see the ambient lighting. I got people asking me how did I install my ambient lighting. I am trying to get somebody to give me their car, or not really give me their car, give me yeah. So I'm basically trying to find somebody that wants to get ambient lighting installed in their car. If you know anybody that wants to get ambient lighting installed in their car, I will do it for like a low price just so I could get a YouTube video in. So if you know somebody that wants ambient lighting installed in their car, just let me know and I'll give them a nice price. I'll give them a big discount because I actually do want to shoot a YouTube video showing how to install ambient lighting and all that. So yeah, so y'all see the ambient lighting is pretty clean. I'm gonna do a whole review on that. And you feel me? Pretty much, this took me the whole day, you feel me? And for the badges, for the badge, if you guys are doing badge delete or like a lower chrome, or if you guys have a similar car to me and you guys have that chrome piece, or you guys just have a badge that you want to delete, the dental floss is good, but I would recommend like some fishing line. Fishing line is way stronger than dental floss, but if you are going to remove those and you do have the residue of the glue left, you can go ahead and get paint thinner and you can put it on a rag and it'll come off. And then you could also get some plastic blades just so you can make the process quicker. So yeah, I think that's my tips that I could give you guys. So shit, I guess, just let the video roll. Yo, I'm back with another video, you know what I'm saying? This took me a lot of time to complete the Chrome delete. Shit, it's like a week later now, so today is Tuesday. I don't know what day it is, but we're in February. Today is Tuesday, you feel me? I just watched the C250. And yeah, this Chrome delete just took, I finalized everything yesterday. I went over everything with the heat guns because some things were like kind of bugging me. But this was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be like nice and easy, but it wasn't really nice and easy. It was like very, very like it's just like it was just getting me mad like sometimes. But I got through it, you know what I'm saying? The wrap looks good, everything looks good, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. But for the people who are like who are is damn. For the people who is gonna do this, you feel me? Just make sure. I think I said this before. Just make sure you take your time. You feel me? Just make sure the surface is clean. I got one window. You won't see it. The surface wasn't clean. There's like small little dots on it. So just make sure your surface is clean when you're doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all what the C250 looking like, and you know what I'm saying. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. So I didn't get the paint fixed Saturday like I was supposed to. I went over a couple things with my body, man. It was just like certain dents in certain areas that were all over the car. I don't just want to like paint this side of the car, not paint the other side. So we decided that we're gonna paint the whole car. And no, I didn't get my rims painted back yet. If I did, I would have already dropped it on the gram. But I didn't. I didn't even drop this on the gram because it's like I didn't even complete it yet. So the gram will get a couple edits out of that. I'm gonna make a couple car edits, see what I could do with my new gimbal. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm using a gimbal now. I was using a tripod, but now I got a gimbal. So I'm gonna see what this gimbal could do. You feel me? I'm gonna shoot a couple cool edits where the car's at right now. It's a cool background and everything. But yeah, the car is gonna be getting repainted. I hope I'm gonna call him. Matter of fact, after I'm done shooting this, I'm gonna call him and I'm just gonna talk to him about, what can we do, and when can we get it done before Fuel Fest. I'm hoping to get it done before Fuel Fest. I know my car is not the coolest and it's not the fastest, but to me it is. So I'm gonna see if I can get it done before Fuel Fest, have it looking right before Fuel Fest. But yeah, that's it. So shit, I hope y'all enjoy like the small little edit I make. I hope I could make like a small little cool edit of the Chrome delete before and after. I didn't get no cool shots of the car before, so y'all just gonna get the after and y'all could just go back to the before. So I'm gonna just you feel me? I'm gonna just get the shooting. So I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all enjoy the video. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.